Unlocking the Secrets of SEO, a complete beginner's overview to optimizing your website. SEO is pivotal in the digital landscape, bridging the gap between users' queries and the vast array of online content. It drives traffic, visibility, and sales. SEO is something you can do for yourself if you are not operating in a very competitive market. Defining SEO reveals its essence as a connector, guiding users to the most relevant websites based on their online searches. It's an intricate dance between keywords and search intent. Keywords lay the groundwork for SEO. They are the signals that tell search engines what a web page is about, matching user queries with the most relevant content in the digital realm. So, what are keywords? Keywords are the words that users type into Google to find what they are looking for. For example, someone looking for a plumber in Detroit might type the words plumber in Detroit, or heating engineer in Detroit, or plumber near me. If you are a plumber, you need to know how to use these typical keywords to your advantage. This is called SEO optimization. On-page SEO basics focus on making content discoverable and understandable to search engines. This involves optimizing various elements of a web page, ensuring it speaks the same language as its potential visitors. Meta tags are crucial for SEO as they provide search engines with concise summaries of what a web page is about, helping to improve a site's visibility and click-through rate. High-quality, relevant content is essential for SEO success. Search engines prioritize content that adds value to users, pushing websites with informative, well-researched articles higher in search results. Off-page SEO focuses on actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. Building a strong backlink profile is fundamental in this aspect. The power of backlinks cannot be overstated in an SEO strategy. They act as endorsements from one site to another, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Technical SEO involves optimizing your website's technical elements to help search engines crawl and index your site more effectively. This includes improving site structure, mobile responsiveness, and loading times. The role of user experience, UX, in SEO strategy has become increasingly vital. A seamless, intuitive user interface ensures visitors stay longer, reducing bounce rates and improving search rankings. Site speed significantly impacts both SEO and user experience. Faster loading times not only enhance user satisfaction, but also contribute positively to your site's ranking on search engine results pages. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want us to explain some of the points made in this video, please leave a comment and we will create something for you. Please like and subscribe as it helps us enormously.